Today we're gonna make this amazing peach prosciutto with goat cheese, arugula, and honey flatbread. To get started on making our peach and prosciutto flatbread, we're gonna start with flatbread. So you could buy flatbread at the supermarket. They have it usually sometimes in packages where they're long strips, 2 in a pack. So for this recipe, you would use about 4 of those. I actually had my restaurant make a flatbread here in this sheet with homemade pizza dough. You could buy pizza dough at the supermarket as well. Follow the instructions on how to make it, and then you are ready to make your flatbread. So you can make this ahead of time, and then that way this is an easy dinner recipe. So we're gonna start with goat cheese. I have about 1.5 cups of goat cheese here. I'm gonna crumble that all over the flatbread. Flatbreads are a fun thing to make because they are great for dinner ideas, but then they're also great for appetizers. You can put these out when you have guests over, and they can last a couple hours sitting out because they're still great when they're not piping hot as well. So we're gonna put our goat cheese down. So next I have pre-sliced prosciutto here, and I'm gonna just cut that up. We're gonna do about 8 slices on this. After we get that all around, next we're gonna use peaches. So I love doing the sweet and savory. So I love using fruit on different items. Like with salads, I use a lot of fruit, and the flatbread, I think it tastes delicious. So we're gonna do sliced peaches. I have 2 peaches here that I thinly sliced. I'm gonna spread them all out. So now I have all of our peaches on this. I have preheated the oven, 375. I'm gonna bake this so that our cheese can melt before we put our arugula. So about 10 minutes in the oven. I've taken our flatbread out of the oven. It looks delicious. Our cheese is melted just the right amount. And now I have arugula. So I'm taking about 2 cups of baby arugula. I'm gonna spread it on top of the flatbread. Perfect. And next, I'm just gonna drizzle with some honey. Look at that. Delicious. Honey and peaches. And then we're gonna top a little bit of black pepper and sea salt for taste. And this is ready to serve. So we're gonna slice it up. So I'm gonna take our flatbread. We're gonna transfer it to a cutting board here. Now we're gonna slice this up. So you can cut this in big slices or small if you're gonna do this for an appetizer, but I'm gonna plate it right here for you. Can't wait to dig into that. Look at that, delicious. This flatbread is both delicious and beautiful. For the full recipe, visit nikkigluckas.com, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next videos. Enjoy.